Hello my lovely students, how all of you are doing? So I believe that everyone is doing great. So welcome back to our another class for subject maths. And from last 2 weeks we've been learning about grouping intents and value of coins. But this week we will learn about measuring heights and length, unit 26. Okay. So before we learn how to measure height or length, we should know what the definition of height. So the measurement of someone or something from head to foot or from base to top. Okay. So this is the definition of height. So I will explain you what is height. So what is the height of this board? So when we measure heights, so we will measure from here, from base to top. Okay. And what are the units? Units of height. Units mean we measure things. Okay. We measure height in feet, centimeters, and inches. But in Cambodia we use centimeters. So like how tall is someone? If you talk about a person or a building, how tall is that building? Okay. And like I am, if you are at home and you have a measuring tape, you can measure yourself. Okay, from toe to head. Okay. So I will do one. I will show you one for the board. I think this is not enough for me. Okay. So like my height is 182 centimeters. Okay. So if you are at home, so I want you to do this. Measure your height. Okay. So get a measuring tape and measure your height. So apart from apart from using measuring tape, how we can measure height of something? We can use some things, okay, to measure the height of anything. Okay, like I have one example here. So first example. So I have a tree and box. Okay, so we want to know the height of a tree. Okay, so what is the height of a tree? Okay, so either we can measure it with the scale or ruler or measuring a tape, but we have boxes here. So how many boxes? 1, 2, 3. So how many boxes? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we write down the tree is number 3 boxes tall. Okay, so how high is the tree? How tall is the tree? What is the height of the tree? The tree is 3 boxes tall. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's how we can measure height. We can use either measuring tape, and we can measure height in feet, centimeters, and inches. Or if we don't have measuring tape, we can measure things using box or anything. Okay, so here I have one example. So here is a tree, and tree is 1, 2, 3 boxes tall. Next, second example we will learn about length. Okay, measuring length. So I have a pencil here. A pencil, okay, and so we want to know the length of this pencil. So we have triangles too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length of 5 triangles is similar to the length of a pencil. Okay, so we can say the pencil is 5 triangles long. Okay, So same here, the height of a tree is similar to 3 boxes. So the tree is 3 boxes tall. Okay. So example 2 about length. So we can say the length of pencil is similar to 5 triangles. The pencil is 5 triangles long. So that's how we can measure length. And length, okay, so we can say how long is this board. Okay, so length, we see how long is that thing. Okay, and height, how high is that thing. Okay, so that's how we can measure length and the height of a thing. Okay, so that's the way. Okay, and here's definition of height. Okay, so this is it in the first video. If you have any questions, any doubts, ask me, drop a message in the Telegram. I will be there to help you. Okay, and be ready to do your task 1, you do activities. Okay, task 1, task 2 on your textbook, and please use pencil. If you use pen on your textbook, I will not give you any points. Okay, if you don't have pencil, you can go buy a new pencil. Okay, or ask your mom and dad to buy you a pencil. Okay, and always keep a spare pencil, one extra pencil in your bag, just in case you lose one, you have another one for that. Okay, so this is it in the first video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Hello students, welcome back to our second video for today's class. So as you know from the first video, today we are learning about measuring heights and lengths. Okay, so see, I have a pencil. Okay, so we can measure the length of this pencil. Okay, so we need something. Okay, so okay, but before we do that, I will explain you the definition of height. What is the definition of height? The measurement of someone, or when we say about someone, we talk about people. Okay, so you can measure your height too. Okay, someone or something. Something means non-living things. From head to foot, from head to foot, or from base to top. From base here. What is the base of this board? Where is the base? Base here of this whiteboard. Here, base to top. Okay, so we can measure the height. Okay, so even we can measure the length of this. Length is from one end to another end. Okay, so when we measure length, we measure from one end to another end. Okay. So units of height and length are same. So we measure heights and length in same units. Okay, we use feet, centimeters and inches. In some countries they use feet. Okay, in some countries they use centimeters. In some countries they use inches, but in Cambodia we use centimeters. Okay, if we don't have measuring tape, because if we have measuring tape, we can measure in feet, centimeters and inches. But if we don't have measuring tape, we can use things. Okay, so well, I will give you one more example. So we can measure this board with this book. Okay, so 1. Okay, we can mark it. Okay, so just we can do it here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how high is this board? What is the height of this board? The height of this board is equal to 4 books. Okay, so we measure this board, this whiteboard. So the height of this board is equal to 4 books. Okay, or you can say this board is 4 books tall or 4 books high. Okay, so that's how we can, if we don't have measure tape, we can measure things with book, with pencil, you can use anything. Okay, but make sure it's the edges are straight. Okay, so coming on to your task 1, your first task 1 is on page number 18. Page number 18. Okay, so task 1 is on page number 18. How tall is each person in this family? Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. So we have diamonds now, diamond shapes. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so we write down the numbers 9. Okay, Mr. Ali is, where is Mr. Ali? Okay, so we need to find Mr. Ali. How tall is Mr. Ali? So from here until here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So Mr. Ali is 9 diamonds tall. Okay, so now I want you to find out for rest of the persons. Okay, next task 2 is on page number 24. Page number 24, we have fill in the blanks. Okay, we have 3 Christmas trees and stars. Okay, so now we measuring it with stars. First, task 1, we measure things we measure persons with diamond shape. Now with stars. Okay, so Christmas tree A is, so A is here. Okay, again first we write down the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So Christmas tree A is, so starting from bottom. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So Christmas tree A is 10 stars tall. Okay. So I want you to find out for B and C. Okay. So this is your task 2. Task 1 is on page number 18. You need to find out the height of family. Okay, and task 2 is on page number 24. You have 3 Christmas tree. You need to find the height of each tree. Okay, so if you will have any doubts, any questions, or any trouble doing your task, feel free to ask me. I will be there to help you. Okay, so this is the end of our second video. I will see you in the last and third video. Enjoy. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today's class. So today we are learning about measuring heights and length. Okay, so in two previous videos we learned about how to measure height, and we did some activities. So as you know that homework is very important, so this video is always about homework. So your first homework is on page number 34. Simple. So use the boxes to find out the height of the objects and the boy. Okay, so we have boxes here. Okay, so now we will give the numbers from bottom. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so tree, the tree is, count the number of boxes. Okay, I can do 1. The tree is 12 boxes high. Okay, now you need to find out the pole here. Okay, the boy, that boy is holding pole. Okay, so when you do this, I will tell you. Okay, so when you do this, you can use ruler. Okay, use ruler here like this. Use ruler. Okay, use ruler to mark. Okay, so you can see where is your mark. So your mark is on 5th box. Okay, so that means the pole is 5 box long. Okay, so same you can do for this and for boy. Use a ruler. Okay. Next homework. Your next homework is on page number 38. 38. This one is a bit tricky. Okay, so I will explain you. How high did these creatures fly? Okay. Now we have paper clips. Okay, we have paper clips. Okay, so the butterfly flew how many paper clips? Again, give them numbers before you do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The butterfly flew 6. Okay, 6 paper clips high. So I want you to find out for each and every creatures. Okay, robin, ladybug, kingfisher and bee. Next, one more, last one. Okay, your next homework is on page number 39. Okay, so page number 39 here. So we have a ladder here. Okay, so we need to find out how tall is each creature. How tall is, so now we need to know the height of each creature. Okay, so we have numbers here. The squirrel is squirrel here. Okay, so we're not gonna count from here. Squirrel is only this small. Okay, squirrel is only 1. Okay, 1 run tall because only 1. Okay, next the monkey is, now monkey starting from here. Okay, you can see the dotted lines. Okay, you need to count between these dotted lines. Okay, only 2. So I need you to find out for elephant, giraffe, monkey and squirrel. Okay, so this is your last homework. If you will have any questions or any doubts or any trouble doing your homework, drop a message in my personal Telegram. Okay, I will help you. You can drop your message anytime. I will be there to help you out. Okay, so this is it for today. I will see you on Wednesday. Okay, so take care, be safe, and if you miss out any of the class, you can go on our YouTube channel. You can search the Kemptop International School and you can watch any videos there anytime. Okay, so this is it. Take care, be safe and enjoy your weekend. Okay, thank you.